Sounds of Decay 2. This is Pupil Slicer with Blossom.
Ophthalmology metal.
I must admit, I'm no expert on female fronted metalcore.
I'm getting there.
Trying to be.
I'm getting there.
But this latest release from UK's Pupil Slicer, another quality slab of 2023 UK extreme metal,
What the heck's going on over there?
has inspired a crash course in the genre, which I'm subjected to as well.
Yes.
It's actually quite good. This quartet's second full length is a rock opera of the cosmic horror variety, focused on abject despair, reincarnation, and hell.
Led by the charismatic vocalist guitarist Kate S. Davies, the Slicers bounce through fits of warp speed, snare attacks, scowly screaming, ambient interludes, bonkers brilliant riffs, and the occasional clean vocal from Kate. This music is converged for the next generation. The band's jump scare transitions and unpredictable tempos are the perfect soundtrack for the modern ADHD propagation of metal fans.
This is exciting stuff, from Luke Fabian's cool bass breakdown and creating the devil in our image to the mellow shoegazy melody that introduces the song at creation's end. It's just the perfect music to charging up a steep hill against the driving rain or lifting barbells that are just a little too heavy for your scrawny frame.
Songs are short and the tempo change is unpredictable. We get a glimpse of Kate's beautiful, clean voice laced over the insanity of terminal lucidity. But for my money, the keeper is the percussively violent closer, Blossom, with clean versus scream vocals, bruising bass lines, and taser zap guitar work. Immerse yourself in Blossom, and eventually your playlist, like mine, will be dominated by monikers like Closet Witch and See You Space Cowboy. So here's a song. This is Departure in Solitude.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.